The town of Sylvan Lake continues to seek feedback on their new Sustainable Waterfront Area Redevelopment Plan. The 15-month project is now in phase 3 of 4, and the concepts were brought forward to the public in an open house last week. From previous community design workshops and surveys, city staff were able to identify a few key emerging themes that are important to residents, like activities that can take place year-round, more shopping, and keeping as many parks and green spaces as possible. While those who responded think Sylvan is doing a great job creating fun events and activities and making it easy for pedestrians to get around, they're concerned about the economic health of the lakefront, parking, and bike accessibility. Planners hope they've curbed some of those worries, though, with a few proposed plazas to be built that could host a year-round market and commercial spaces, and making businesses easier to access through alleyway activations. The town will now take in the feedback from residents on these ideas and construct their final plan for adoption from council.